In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook lead ads to n8n. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable credential you can plug into your workflows to capture and process leads automatically. First, open n8n and look at the left-hand panel. Head into the Personal section and then open the Credentials tab. This is where all your secure connections live. Click the Create Credential button in the top right corner. Creating a dedicated credential keeps your authorizations separate from your workflow logic, so you can reuse it safely across multiple automations and update it in one place. In the list that appears, search for Facebook lead ads, then select it and click Continue. This tells n8n which integration you want to authorize, so it can guide you through the correct connection flow. Next, enter the details needed for the API connection. Depending on your setup, you may be prompted to sign in with Facebook and approve access. Make sure you're logged in to the correct Facebook account that has the necessary permissions for the page and forms you plan to use. When the consent window appears, grant only the permissions required for lead access and page management. If you don't see the pop-up, check your browser's pop-up blocker. Give the credential a clear name so you can recognize it later, especially if you manage multiple pages or environments. After confirming the fields and permissions, click Save. n8n will validate the connection. Look for a success message or a connected status. If something doesn't connect, double-check that the Facebook user has admin or advertiser access to the relevant page and confirm that lead access is enabled. Re-authenticating often resolves token or scope issues. With the credential saved, you can now use it inside your workflows. Open or create a workflow, add a new node, and search for Facebook lead ads. Select it, then choose the credential you just created from the dropdown. From there, you can pick the appropriate operation, such as pulling new leads or working with form data, and configure any required fields, like the page or form you want to target. The key point is that you no longer need to handle tokens directly in the node. Your credential securely handles authentication for you. That's all there is to it. You've created a secure Facebook lead ads credential in n8n, saved it, and it's ready to power your workflows. Keep your credentials labeled clearly. Review permissions periodically, and you'll have a reliable foundation for lead automation moving forward.